What happened, man? How did we get so far off track?
What are you talking about? We both have good things going on right now.
Hey, did I see you in a commercial?
You did, yeah.
I have.
I have.
I have.
Genital herpes. What's up?
Hello? You don't jump out on brothers, man. We don't like that.
So we're going to the party tonight. Cops or ghosts, your choice.
I don't want to be a ghost.
Let's be cops.
People actually think we're cops. Please freeze!
Oh! That was awesome. Whoa, whoa, what do we have here?
Officers, this is...
Is this for real?
Damn! How far are we planning on taking this? Where'd you get this thing?
eBay, dude.
This is super illegal, right?
This, no.
No?
Wow.
We could go to jail for years for this.
All units, domestic disturbance in progress.
Yes. No. Yes, no. Don't touch that. No.
3 females, early 20s, possibly intoxicated.
Oh, that's how it's sweet.
Stand, man up, circle round, stand up, pimps up, hands down, beat 'em up, man down. No hands in the air, no legal pumping your butt. Everybody in the mosh pit.
What the? My bad.
Everybody in the mosh pit.
Boys, open up.
Thank God you're here.
Oh, yeah, thank God we are here.
It's my sorority sisters.
Sorry, sisters.
Oh, no!
What the hell? Relax. Control the situation. That's what you get. That's what you get.
I don't think they're ready for this one.